Teaching your dachshund the touch command is one of my favorite tricks to pull off with my pups. It's a handy tool for grabbing their attention or steering them where you need them to go. Find a cozy, quiet spot to train in. Make sure you've got some soft, bite-sized treats on hand. About 1 to 2 tablespoons should do the trick. Now position your dachshund right in front of you. Show them your palm. If they give it a little nose bump, say good or yes and reward them with a treat. Training tip. If you're having any trouble with this training exercise, try rubbing a dog treat onto your palm to up the ante. Keep practicing this touch command a few more times. Once they've got it down pat, start gradually moving your hand a bit farther away each time. If they're not quite getting it, don't worry. Just be patient and move a little closer. With my mini dachshund Greta, I waited until day 2 to start moving my palm further back. Training tip. If your dachshund is finding it hard to concentrate or seems extra energetic, taking them on a 10 to 20-minute walk before training can do wonders. Once your pup has successfully touched your palm several times in a row, start adding in the verbal cue, touch, when you present your hand. Whenever they touch your palm, celebrate with a yes and a yummy dog treat. Keep each training session short and sweet. Just a few minutes a day will do just fine. And remember, every dog learns at their own pace, so take it easy and enjoy the process. A little bit each day goes a long way. Let's repeat this training exercise with my dachshund, Echo. He gets so excited to do our training sessions. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more training and care videos.